Hello, my name is Jerry Junior Mesa Hernandez. This information presented. Purpose is the outbid the applicant and the half from the company and the front of net channel and the pros there are bit complex and they are of vital important for us. The quantity scrum select the product products import the quick part and to it offer per error charged outside import the app reflect in the reduction and production costs. The under app is sub on sub device sync with the channel in us the word bit. In the path of production the work will be in of seeing the bottleneck to listen of person in charge of the production of the procedure the with not to record. The bottleneck will refer to the problem of the company is the very in part since that it helps to import the operas and the pros of the pros since it helps to increase the ROM of the company and us profits by product and service in the of the money purpose in the opera's part. Conclusion with what conclude the worth of the world in very important since a fourth of the roof part and is of benefit sustain to switch cheaper or what since if you have a broad array of what the price is in compound also pop and the what point innovation in the plus products and the process so the that are input. Thank you, tutor.